So I built a database for our inventory system. It's a simple database. I did it over the weekend. I figured that this might be a good way to take care of the inventory issue that we're having. So I'm going to log in as the administrator. As administrator, I have access to all of this menu up here. Managers would have a little less access to some of these items. And then the crews would have access to only the takeout menu right here. So I'll run through it real quick. The bases tab is just the base 1, 2, and 3. Pretty self-explanatory. Categories is the category of medical supply that we're using. The items would be each individual item. Over here, we would have item numbers for reordering the items, whichever, I guess, from the INVI system. That way that when it's time to reorder, you don't have to look it up in the INVI system. You'll have the order ID number right here. So then inventory is separated by base. So each time you would add an inventory item, I'll edit this one here. Like we have 14 gauge angiocast from base 1, quantity in stock is 10, base par is 10, and it's for base number 1. Okay, so users would run after they're done running their call. They would come in, click on the takeout menu, and these are all the items that have been removed from stock. They would click the add new and put in the run number, whatever that run number might be, and then they'd select the item. We'll say a 14 gauge angiocath. We're going to use 3 of them from lifeline 3, and we'll add that. Okay, so that record has been added. So now we can track what supplies was used on that call. Then we go back to our inventory. Angiocast for lifeline 3 for 14 gauge. Base 3, we now have 6 in stock instead of 10. We started out with 10, now we have, we started out, I guess, with 9, and now we have 6 in stock, and we need a total of 4. Anyway, you can also do some reporting. You can create groups, basically, and that separates all the bases out. If you want to have a summary of that, you can do that as well. It even has a little chart you can create. So I think this would work. I think it would greatly reduce the issue of where our inventory is going. And if you guys want to use it, let me know. It's pretty much ready to go.